Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making tilapia. Now, tilapia is very mild, so it really accepts the flavors you give it. This is going to be good. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen.
Yo, first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius sun. The next thing we're going to do is measure out our seasonings. We have crushed red pepper here. Now we're going to zest a lemon, making sure we only take off the yellow and not the white part, because as many of you know, the white part is called the pith, and it's like a bad breakup. It's bitter. We're going to slice and juice our lemon. I'm using my trusty citrus juicer. I also have an electric one for when I have a ton of lemons and limes to juice for pies or a pitcher of drinks or lemonade. But since we only have this one lemon, this is what I'll use. So this is one of my few kitchen frustrations, y'all. When I buy tilapia from the grocery store, not the fish market, but the grocery store, the tilapia comes in individually plastic wrapped packages. It's ridiculously wasteful, but it's also freaking annoying to have to cut up all these individual bags. We're gonna grab some parsley from our indoor arrow garden. I love this thing. Watch out for some hot peppers soon, fam. Oh guys, I've been tasting at the end, so stick around for that. We're rinsing the parsley, and then I gave them a rough chop and set them aside. We're melting some butter in the microwave, and you can also do it in a small pan. Whatever, it's your kitchen, do what you want. Okay, now that we have all our ingredients hanging out in one place, we're gonna add the lemon juice, lemon zest, and garlic to our melted butter like some boss. And we're gonna mix this really well with a fork. I'm gonna set that aside for now. We have black pepper, seasoned salt. You wanna make your own, don't you? Of course you do. I have a link right up there and in the description below to a video where I show you how to make seasoned salt. We're gonna season both sides of our tilapia, y'all. Don't forget to cover your backside. Now we sprinkle on our crushed red pepper flakes. Time to get these boys in our 13x9 baking dish in one single layer, guys. We're gonna pour our butter lemon blend onto our seasoned tilapia, just like so. Now guys, we're gonna slice a lemon for the top. Layer the lemon slices on top of the fish. We're gonna get this in our preheated oven and bake for 12 to 14 minutes. Don't leave yet, because that's not it. Here's what it looks like after 12 minutes. It's already looking delicious. We're gonna set the broiler to high and broil for an additional 3 to 5 minutes until the tops of the lemons and fish start to brown up a little bit. Remove from the oven. Y'all, look at that. Come on now, stop playing. All right, we're gonna sprinkle our baked fish with our fresh parsley.
All right, guys, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna taste this. Look at that, so flaky. and all the moisture isn't gone. That butter, we have that butter on here, that lemon, we have that garlic. That is delicious. And you have that crushed red pepper flake, just adding just a tiny bit more flavor. It's not overpowering, it's not hot or super spicy, but it has a nice rich flavor. All right, Chef Kendra is out. Peace.